Hello students. In previous class we have discussed about an number system. In the number system we have discussed on two types of number system. Those are first Indian system, next is international system. With that we have discussed on face value and place value. These are the two main topics we have discussed in the previous class. Today let us discuss about an ascending order and descending order. Here this is a very important, you should be know. Okay, you have to be know this is ascending order and descending order, because this is also very helpful in your daily life wherever you go. Okay, you are comparing which is ascending, which is descending. Okay, you are comparing yourself in your home also. You are comparing, you are too shorter, you are too shorter, you are too bigger. In this way you are comparing, is it? Yes. So while you are comparing these shorter, bigger, taller, so you have to know this is ascending order and descending order. Now how to arrange the ascending order and descending order numbers? In numbers we will see. I have taken 5 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers I have taken. In these numbers we have to arrange an ascending order and descending order. I hope you all of you have learned this ascending order and descending order in the previous class by using a smaller digits. Is it? So today we will see an by using a bigger digits. First you have to know what is ascending order and what is descending order. So what is ascending order? Ascending order defines an the number should be arranged in the smaller number to a bigger number. Okay, ascending number means what? Smaller to bigger. Descending means what? Bigger to smaller. It is a reverse process, descending order. If you know to write ascending order, the descending order is very easy to you. Now let us see that, then you can understand well. I hope you all of you are copying this in your rough notebook. So in the ascending order, first you know that already it is a smaller number to a bigger number we have to arrange. In these given numbers, which is the smaller number? First, how will you compare? How will you see which is smaller, which is greater? First you see the numbers here. Okay, first here is a 4 and here is a 3, here is a 6, and here is a 6. Okay, and here is also 6 and here is 7. So now which is a smaller number you have find here. You want to find now which is the smaller number in here in this place. I hope you all of you have find that this is in the first place. Okay, first we have to write this number in the first. 33 671. How will you read this? You have to read this by using a place values. Those are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, this is in an Indian system. So we have to follow the Indian system. Then we have to read this as 33 lakh 14,671. Next, after this number, which number we have to write? Okay, now this completes. You should not watch this. Now you close this. Okay, you compare remaining 4 numbers. Now here is a 4, here is 6, and here is also 6, and here is a 7. Now which is the smaller in these 4 numbers? So here we know that here is a 4. So we have to write the first number here 4. Okay, because 6 and this 6 and 7, these all greater than 4. So we have to write first smaller number here. 43 lakh. You read this 43 lakh. Next, what we have to write? 21,000. Next, 768. Okay, this is the second smallest number in this given numbers. This is the second smaller number. Next, these two completes. Now we have to complete. We have to see these 3 numbers. In these 3 numbers, which is a smaller. Now here is 6, here is also 6, and here is 7. Now we found that is here is also 6, here is also, both the numbers are same. now after that what we have to do? We have to see a next number. After the 6, here is a 1. Next, here is a 2. Okay, now 61 lakh is greater or 62 lakh is greater? 62 lakh is greater, 61 is smaller, so you have to write first this. After this, third number is 61 lakh 42,333. This is a third smallest number. Next, we have to find a fourth smallest number. Which is the fourth smallest number? Now, in these two numbers, you have to compare. Now, this is a fourth smallest number, 62 lakh. Okay, 62 lakh 31,212. Next, which is the remaining number? 78 lakh 21,111. This itself a very greatest number in the given numbers. Okay. Now for these given numbers we have arranged in a ascending order. First, ascending order means smaller number to bigger number we have arranged. Now we have to arrange in a descending order. How to arrange in a descending order? You know that already. What the descending order defines? Descending order defines an bigger to smaller. Okay, very good. I hope all of you are answering to my questions. Okay, you must and should answer to my questions. Okay, then itself you will be able to write all. Descending order is a bigger to smaller. Now we have written an ascending order. Now what we have written in this ascending order, this we have to write in a reverse order. Okay, this we have to write in a reverse order, that itself descending order. Now let us write here first 78 lakh 21,111. After this 62 lakh 31,212. Next 61 lakh 42,333. Next 43 lakh 21,768. Next, what will you write? The last digit you have to write as 33 lakh 14,671. This is a reverse process of ascending order. Okay, so I am telling you, you have to know an ascending order well. Ascending order means smaller to bigger numbers. First you have to write a smaller number, next smaller number. See here, this is the first smaller number. Next, second smaller number is 4. Next, third is this 4, 5th. How many digits are they are giving? For those digits we have to be comparing smaller numbers. Okay, first we have to write an all smaller numbers. Last we have to write a greater number. That is an ascending order. Descending order is reverse process. What you are writing an ascending order, you have to write in a reverse order for the descending order. That's it, complete here. So this itself a beauty of mathematics. Okay, see how beautiful this is it? I hope you all of you have clear with this ascending order and descending order. Next we will see an comparison of numbers. How to compare the numbers? You have already studied greater than symbol, lesser than symbol, okay, and equal to. About this symbol you know very well. Once again I will revise you. Okay. Now you know that what this symbol indicates. Okay, this symbol indicates a greater than. Very good. Next symbol indicates a smaller than. So next symbol indicates a, okay, very good, equal. Okay, equal to. I hope all of you know about this symbol. Now after, if you know symbol, then you can compare the numbers very easily. Is it? Yes. So I have taken 3 examples. First example is 2,14,312. 2,14,312 I have taken. Next 1,31,22,631. These two numbers I have taken. Now you have to compare which is the greater, which is smaller. Is it? Now in these two numbers, which is greater, which is smaller? Which is greater, which is smaller? Can you guess? Yes. I hope you all of you are telling and this is a greater number. This is a smaller number. Now we have to write 2,14,312 is less than. This is a less than symbol. Okay, this is a less than symbol. 2,14,312 is less than 1,31,22,631. Okay, I hope you all of you are clear with this. We will move on to the next problem. That is 3,16,312. Next 2,13,452. Now which is the smaller, which is the greater? See the numbers carefully. You have to observe the numbers carefully, then itself you can decide which is the smaller, which is the greater. Now 3 is a greater. Is it? First digit you see 3. Here is a 3 and here is a 2. So 3 is greater than 2. Is it? So you have to write 3,16,312 is greater than. Okay. This symbol indicates what? Greater than. Good. Next 2 crore 13 lakh 2,13,452. This is a smaller number. Now we will see 3,16,312 is greater than 2,13,452. This completes. I hope you all of you are clear with this. Okay, you should not get confused. The numbers will get confused while you are reading. Okay, but you should not get confused. You have to divide the numbers according to the system. Okay, according to the system you have to divide. If you are getting confused, you write the place values. Okay, you want to write the place value 1, 10, 100,000, lakh. If you write that, you will never get confused. Next, third is 6 crore 14 lakh 32,134. 6 crore 14 lakh 32,134. Now both the numbers are same here. If both the numbers arise the same, which symbol you have to write? You have to write an equal to. Okay, you have to write an equal to symbol. This symbol indicates what? Equal to. This is about a comparison of numbers. Dear students, I hope you all of you have understood by this topic ascending order and descending order and comparison of numbers. You have to work on these topics. You take 10 problems on this topic and you take 10 problems for each greater than, smaller than, equal. Okay, you have to solve in your rough notebook. Then itself you will be perfect. I hope you all of you will solve the problems what I will say. I hope you are the very good students. Is it? So you have to follow what the teacher will tell you. Then itself you will be perfect with every subject and with every topic. Okay, dear students, thank you. Next we will meet in a next class. Thank you.